Hello, Mick Garrett, naturalist from Dodge Nature Center. Today, I get to show you how to make one of my most favorite primitive technologies. Today, we are going to learn all about how to make cordage. When people think about primitive technologies, ancient technologies, a lot of times what they think about is stone tools or making a fire. But as important was making cordage, twine, or string. 10,000 years ago, they didn't have duct tape, they didn't have super glue. If you wanted to attach a spear point, an arrowhead, if you wanted to make a net, make a snare, make a bag, what you needed to do was be able to make cordage. Now, hopefully you've been noticing the whole time I've been talking to you, I've actually been making cordage. And so what we get to do today is I'm going to show you how we do this. To make the cordage, all you need are long, thin fibers. Traditionally, those fiber, people would have used all kinds of stuff. They would have used stinging nettle. They would have used the inner bark from basswood trees. You could use sinew, anything long and thin. There are even all kinds of accounts from across the world of people using their own hair to make snares to catch rabbits or catch birds. I even made some cordage out of my very own hair. What's great about this is once you have the skill down, you can make cordage out of almost any long, thin fiber. The other day, I took an old Christmas napkin, I tore it into thin strips, and then I made some Christmas napkin cordage. At the Nature Center, when we're doing this with lots and lots of kids, the material that we use most often is raffia. That stuff you buy at the craft store, long, thin, they use it for decorating, but these long, thin fibers are perfect for practicing your cordage making skills. If you want thicker cordage, you use more fibers. If you want thinner cordage, you use less fibers. Either way, it doesn't matter. It's this twisting and counter twisting is what allows your cordage to work, and it's what keeps it strong. So to start, how we make our cordage, we're going to grab some of our long fibers. Like I said, when we do this with the kids, we use raffia because it's easy to come by. You're going to make a little loop. So you're going to have about half of your fibers or half on one side, half on the other, loop in the middle. Here's the tricky part. What's going to happen is you're going to pinch it. The stuff that's farther away, you're going to twist away from you. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to twist away from me, just with my fingers. A little bit of a twist. And then I roll it back. So now this one's away. Twist, twist forward, roll back. Twist forward, roll back. If you want to make your cordage nice and long, you're going to have to keep adding more fibers to it. So we have our two strands, our two clumps. What you do is you grab a new piece of fiber, make a bend about in the middle, and you're just going to nestle that bend right in between those two clumps of fibers. And you're going to do just what you've been doing this whole time. The one that's farthest away from you, twist it forward, then roll it back. Then the one that's farthest away, twist it forward, roll it back. And pretty soon what happens is that new fiber has been incorporated into your cordage that's already there. And you can keep doing this and doing this and doing this until you make your cordage as long as you possibly want. Any skill takes practice. The more you do it, the better you get. And so what I'm encouraging you to do, go find some long fibers and try your hand at making cordage yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for once again supporting Dodge Nature Center and Preschool.